G'day guys, Katrina from UBEECO here, and I'm with the directors of UBEECO Packaging Solutions. Thanks for joining me, guys.
G'day.
How you going?
So looking at our complete product range, as you would have seen looking at our YouTube channel and on the website, we have everything from timber and cardboard products through to your general packaging materials. Obviously, again, that's part of bringing the business name together as UBEECO Packaging Solutions so that we provide that complete packaging solution. But again, just talking about personal experiences, what's the strangest application that we've ever come across? And I guess Tony, being in sales, might be the best one to answer. But what's the most unusual application that you can recall? And if you want, I'll start. That I remember years ago you guys doing coffin boxes or something, big cardboard boxes for cow carcasses to go in or something like that. Is that right?
Nah, that was
for
meat
being exported overseas.
Okay.
But we have done some strange and wonderful things. We've had to heat seal the Robosaurus when it was out here at the Easter show to go back to the States. Yeah, look, just some odd and wonderful things we've done, yes.
Yeah.
Two products that we did that are very strange. I suppose one is strange and the other one is huge in size. But one of them is a triangle box for propellers. Now the word box is a perimeter type or rectangle type, square, whatever. But these were actually a triangle box for propellers that we made.
Yep.
And the other one, of course, is we made boxes for the turbines that Marconi did for the submarines that were assembled in South Australia.
Okay.
And they were shipped from here, and they were absolutely humongous, almost taking 1.5 sides of the road in transporting it. So that was a huge one.
Okay.
And perhaps one of the proudest one, Katrina, was when we, and Tony was very much involved in this, when we were packing a whole mosaic for Gallipoli from here. That was very very humbling and we felt very patriotic about that.
Yeah, very rewarding experience, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. What about for you?
Probably one of the weirdest ones we had was when Cyclone Tracy hit Darwin, going back many years ago. We had to make 10,000 wooden boxes to put shoes in, of all things in there.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
and there were about 300 by 300 by 300 in there. So 10,000. We only had a very short period of time to make them, to send them up there for the army.
Well, I guess the answers from the directors there highlight that regardless of the application you have, we will adapt our product range and manufacture it specifically for your requirements. So don't just think of a box as shipping big machinery. It can move shoes, it can move propellers, and it can be used in a retail environment. It all just depends on what the application is that you need us to manufacture for. So obviously UBEECO taking the step in putting videos on YouTube and the new website that we have that you probably would have seen already. It's a bit of a standout in the industry, very much like the product range that we choose to bring on board. How do you feel about what we're doing online at the moment, guys? I mean, we're basically giving our competitors a tour of our factory with every video I do. How do you feel about that?
Well, at least it's good in a way where it also gives our customers a tour of what we do.
Yeah.
I think that's also very important because sometimes you don't you're not able to explain to them everything that you do. This way they can see.
Yeah.
Look, the presence of competitors out in the marketplace is only it's a spur for us to be constantly improving, and the website and what you're doing, we're all doing, is an extension of that. I think these sort of things are the way of the future in driving a business and driving growth. Inviting, as Tony was saying, inviting customers into our home, so to speak, which is our factory, our business, and are able to see what we can do and how we do it.
No doubt not every customer is able to come and visit our premises, so at least we're able to let them in, have a look and see how we do things over here.
Yeah. And how do you, I mean, obviously we're exposing ourselves very much by showcasing everything to our competitors as well.
Within reason.
Within reason, yeah. They do get to check over everything before I put it up, like. Something so strong.